Have you ever wanted to swap faces with a celebrity? Or maybe you've daydreamed about looking exactly like your favorite fictional character from a movie or TV show. Well, thanks to the magic of deepfake technology, face swaps like that are now possible. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to easily create your own deepfake face swaps using Discord. Now I know what you might be thinking, isn't deepfake technology complicated and requiring super advanced skills? Nope. In my last deepfake video, I covered how to easily achieve face swaps with Stable Diffusion using the Roop extension, but not everyone can run Stable Diffusion. So don't worry, I got you covered. Today, all we will need is Discord. Yep, that's right, face swapping right inside of Discord. The key is leveraging the power of Discord bots. These clever bots can swap faces and photos automatically, no fancy equipment required. I'll show you how to set up a face swap bot on your own Discord server and start producing mind-blowing deep fakes that will make your friends do a double take. Of course, I'll dive into commercial usage, etc. So buckle up and get ready to enter the fascinating world of AI-powered face swapping. With just a bit of guidance, you'll be deep faking like a pro in no time. First, let's create a Discord account. It's super easy to get started. Head over to discord.com, then fill in your information. Verify your email. Then open Discord either through the browser or download and install it. It's up to you. You will be greeted with a screen to set up your Discord server. Click on Create My Own. Select For Me and My Friends. Give your server a name. Now enter a topic. Once that's done, click on Take Me to My Server. Now go to the link in the description to invite the Insight bot to your private Discord. Once you've done that, if you open up your show members list, you'll see yourself and the Insight bot. Now let's set up the bot. We will type /save ID, hit spacebar, and now we drag and drop our face, and of course, like all my deepfake videos, I will go with Arnold. Give it a name. For me it's Arnie. Hit enter. You're all set. Now if you have Midjourney, you can invite the Midjourney bot to your Discord and start swapping faces with the InsightFaceSwap bot. But if you're like me and don't have Midjourney, you can either use Blue Willow, which is a free Midjourney alternative, or external sites such as Leonardo.ai, Playground AI, ClipDrop, etc. I'll be using nothing but free methods for this, so let's get that Blue Willow bot over to our server. In Discord, click on Add Server, then click on Join a Server and type discord.gg/bluewillow. Once you're on the server, click on Rules to read the rules, then click here to show members list. At the very top you will see the Blue Willow bot. Left click on the Blue Willow bot, then click on Add to Server. Select your server, and now you'll see the Blue Willow bot inside of your server. So let's test it out. Type /imagine, then enter your prompt just like you would in Midjourney. I'll keep it simple and use the prompt Portrait of a Man. Select the image you want and upscale it. Now to swap his face with Arnold, right click on the image, go to Apps, click on InSwapper. And it's as simple as that. I'm sure you want to know how this works for commercial use, so let's find out. First, we will need to join their Discord by clicking on Join Discussion under the face swapped image. Next, let's visit the Disclaimer License channel. I'll copy and paste the content from the Disclaimer and License channel and head over to Claude.ai. In Claude, I'll use the prompt, what is the commercial license restrictions for this policy, then paste in the data and hit enter. Alright, so here it says, the AI system does not claim intellectual property rights over the generated images. However, the original source images may be protected by copyright. Using AI-generated images commercially is allowed as long as they do not infringe upon the rights of the original copyright owners. The images should not replicate or replace the original copyrighted works. Proper attribution should be given to indicate the images are generated by this AI service powered by Anthropic. The privacy policy states that user information collected is limited to Discord user IDs and uploaded images which are not saved. This data is used only to process image generation requests. Information is not shared with any external organizations or used for marketing/advertising. Users can review, delete, or update their information if desired. The privacy practices and policy may be updated periodically. Users should check for updates. For any questions regarding the commercial use policy or privacy practices, users can contact the service providers via the public Discord channel. In summary, commercially using AI-generated images from this service is allowed given proper attribution, no copyright infringement, and adherence to the privacy policy. The policy aims to provide transparency on how user information is handled. Okay, so we are good to go. Now let's see how well this bot handles deepfakes. I'll try this on different images, styles, expressions, etc. I'll use Leonardo AI and Playground AI to generate these different style images. In case you were wondering if you can apply this deepfakes with external sources, here's how. First, let's go to Leonardo AI and generate an image. Perfect. Upscale it if you wish. For me, I'll just download this output. Go back to Discord and drag and drop your image into your Discord. Press enter to send the image into Discord. Now right-click on the image and click on InSwapper. This works for any images you import into your Discord server. So let's see how well it does with different styles and expressions. Wow, those results were pretty amazing. It handled different expressions, side profile view, headwear, and different styles. This would be so cool if it can swap faces with animals, so let's try an animal. Well, it doesn't work with animals. Face detection failed. So, as long as it's a humanoid figure and can detect a face, it should work, right? Let's try a half human, half tiger with a human face and see how it performs. Okay, so it needs to be human faces. Oh well, it's still awesome. Let's go over some of the commands. In Discord, type /. It will bring up the different commands for the bots. Scroll down for InsightFaceSwap. /del all will delete all ID names. /del ID will delete a specific ID name. /list ID will list the ID names you have set for the different faces. /save ID is the command we use to save Arnold's face as Arnie ID. /set ID lets you set the default ID. /swap ID will apply identity feature to target image. You can use comma as a splitter for multiple identities. This is for paid users. If you want to become a paid supporter, click on the subscribe on Patreon button here. You'll be able to select the different plans here. They have a $9.99 per month plan and a $19.99 per month plan, and of course the free version, which I am using. If you want to use the multi-person image feature I mentioned earlier, you'll need to get at least the $9.99 per month plan. In case you're wondering what's in the free plan, let's take a look. That information isn't on their website, so we will have to go back to their Discord channel to find out. In their Discord server, there is a channel called Pixie AI Subscription. Here's what's included with the free plan. Morph one face per image. If multiple faces in one image, this will be the face furthest to the left. Use 50 commands per day for face morphs performed onto Midjourney images. The image must be the original image is sent from Midjourney into your personal/private Discord channel. There is now a 3x multiplier of commands consumed when performing a face morph for any non-Midjourney images or images manually uploaded into your channel. Save up to 20 identities. Great for casual users who want to enjoy basic face morphing features for free. As you can see, the world of AI and face swapping has truly evolved to become accessible to everyone. With Discord and some handy bots, you're just a few steps away from creating deep fakes that are sure to impress, or at the very least, entertain. A few reminders: always use deepfake technology responsibly. Remember that while it's fun to play around with, there are real ethical considerations to keep in mind, especially when thinking about sharing or publishing these images. Moreover, always respect copyright laws, and ensure you're not infringing on anyone's intellectual property rights. This is especially important if you're thinking of using these for commercial purposes. Lastly, have fun and let your creativity flow. Experiment with different images and styles, see what works best for you, and keep refining your skills. Who knows, you might become the next big thing in the deepfake community. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and AI related content. Till next time, happy face swapping.